Oh, wow. That was amazing.
You're so great.
Hey, do you want to stay the night?
You see, I'd really like to, but I have a really hard time sleeping, and if I'm not listening to my soothing sounds app, it's really hard for me to fall asleep, and I don't want to impose.
Oh, like a babbling brook or crashing waves. Yeah, you can do that.
Well, it's kind of like that, but if you're willing to try it.
Yeah. Good night. Very good.
Yeah.
Could you go to the next sound? That one's not very soothing.
Oh, sure. This one reminds me of my mom and dad.
Okay. That sounds sweet. Good night.
Where have you been?
I was a boy. None of your business.
I can see that lipstick on your collar. You were with her again, weren't you?
Yeah, but what if I was? She treats you right. Don't make me hit you. I'm gonna hit you now.
Ah!
Right in the kisser.
Erica, do you really fall asleep to this every night?
Slave, I say.
It really relaxes me.
It's not.
I think I know what you're looking for. I know you'll like this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah! Ah! Yes! Ah! Erica! Erica! I'm sleeping on the couch.